everyone, I just want to let everyone know, if you're looking for a way to lose weight, you shouldn't be discouraged. When I found a way to lose weight, I started taking some keto pills, the weight loss pills, and they helped me lose weight. When I started taking the pills, I weighed 361 pounds. Now I weigh 282 pounds. I've been taking the pills, and the pills what they do is they help speed up your metabolism.
So, if you're looking for some research,
if you watch this video to the end, you'll see what I look like before I started taking them and what I look like now.
It's a link under my
video. Dramatic weight loss. So if you're looking for a way to lose weight, don't get discouraged. What you should do is you should drink a lot of water, and
you're gonna be the last a long time. You're even gonna
speed up your metabolism, and that's why I chose to try keto pills. That worked for me. So if you don't have time to go to the gym or anything like that, or you just tried a bunch of other diets and they failed, give the keto pills a shot. They work for me. Watch this video until the end, you'll see my weight loss transformation. And it's a link under my video. You can click that link and you can go to the website, take the pills that I took and help you lose weight. And like I said, just take the pills. Just try these pills if you want to lose weight, because they work for me.
A lot of money.
So if you try all kinds of things like apple cider vinegar or other things that didn't work for you, these pills work for sure. So if you want to lose weight, click the link on my video, go to the website,
I have a wife and when I have sex with her, man.
It's a link in the description. That's where I got my pills from.
I love it.
Like I said, watch this video until the end, and you'll see that I did lose weight with these pills. So if you're serious about losing weight,
for some good male
you tried everything else and it hasn't worked, give these pills a shot. So click the link and go order
you some bottles.
Take your pills, follow instructions, and
as soon as you get them, they're gonna come in the mail. And once you get them in the mail, whoever you have sex with or whatever, man, they're gonna enjoy it, man. Trust me. So like I said, if you want some real male enhancement pills, they're gonna work for sure. That work for me and other people. Click that link, go order a couple bottles, man. You'll thank me.